Welcome to Loomly. In this video, you will learn how to use Pinterest to promote your business. Pinterest is a visual platform that allows users, also known as pinners, to curate personal pinboard collections of images and videos uploaded by themselves, friends, strangers, and brands. Topics of pinboards range from recipes to clothing trends to home styling and beyond, all with the goal of sparking inspiration and discovery. Pinterest is a powerful marketing platform for brands due to a streamlined, frictionless connection to e-commerce and a direct line to new audiences. In this video, we'll cover Pinterest marketing best practices so you can accelerate your sales. Let's dive in. How is Pinterest used for marketing? With an audience of 445 million people, here are 3 main reasons why Pinterest should be a part of your social media strategy. 97% of Pinterest searches are unbranded, which means that people are eager for new ideas. Make sure to use your content to inspire them. 85% of pinners use Pinterest to plan new projects for the future. Beat your competition by getting in front of potential customers first. 80% of weekly users say they discovered a new product or brand while browsing Pinterest. Reduce the time from discovery to sales by being active with promoting your products. Before you start creating a profile and posting content, it's essential to plan how Pinterest will fit into your business strategy and the goals that you have. For example, you can use Pinterest to build brand awareness and reach more of your ideal customers, showcase your products and services, grow an engaged community, increase brand loyalty. You can always circle back to these goals when you analyze your performance. How to attract followers on Pinterest. Make your first impression count by spending time creating your profile. One tip is to keep your branding consistent across all of your social media channels so that your users instantly recognize you. For example, make sure to have a recognizable profile and cover image like your logo and tagline. You don't get much space to write your bio, so keep it concise, descriptive, and containing keywords to help users understand what you offer. Once you have a well-optimized Pinterest profile, it's time to start posting engaging content to market to potential customers and partners. Since Pinterest is a visual-first platform, it's vital that you post high-quality images, photos, and videos. Low-quality content creates a poor impression, and users will likely scroll by looking for something more appealing. Also, successful brands have one thing in common: consistency. They have a cohesive look and feel to their account so that they're instantly recognizable by the color scheme, the type of photo or video shared, the category selected, the keyword and hashtags used, and the way they interact with users. With this in mind, we built Loomly to give you an easy-to-use dashboard that lets you collaborate with your team around Pinterest visuals, access the data you need, and understand the real-time impact of your posts. Here's how Loomly helps you with Pinterest publishing. First, you'll need to decide how frequently you're going to publish content. Some brands share multiple updates per day, while others publish a couple of posts every week. Pinterest recommends pinning consistently, so it's better to pin a similar number of times per day rather than creating a board, filling it up with a stack of pins, and then doing nothing for a few days. Also try to spread out your pinning throughout the day rather than publishing 5 pins in one go. We highly recommend planning out the number of high-quality posts you're able to commit to posting regularly. Once you have identified your ideal posting cadence, you can take advantage of Loomly's scheduling slots feature to set your preferred publishing schedule and save time when creating new posts in the post builder. After you've set your publishing frequency, it's time to do some editorial planning. Let's start with what you know best: your organization. Simply list out the events that matter to your organization and your community, such as special industry conferences, organization milestones like anniversaries, achievements, and awards, and major holidays and celebrations. This is where the Loomly magic happens. We actually suggest different types of post ideas to you, including trending topics in your location from Twitter, content from your own custom selection of RSS feeds, recurring evergreen ideas based on best practices and trends, events, holidays, and celebrations happening on specific dates. You can view every social media holiday for a given month at a glance on Loomly. This lets you save time looking for ideas, and most importantly, make sure you're not missing out on any major events. Once you have filled up your editorial calendar with post ideas, you can start creating your content. To increase your post engagement, you can add some hashtags, but be aware of using too many hashtags since that looks spammy and can turn visitors away. The optimal number is between 2 and 5. Add hashtags to your pin description that contain relevant keywords so that they're searchable in Pinterest's search engine. Remember, the key is to be consistent and to stick with one style for a cohesive look and feel. If you're not sure what hashtags to use, we've got you covered with Loomly's Hashtag Manager. Easily discover the most popular hashtags related to a certain topic and get useful stats like the number of posts, views, and post views. You can also create hashtag collections to save time if you frequently use the same hashtags in all of your posts. This way, you won't need to manually type them every single time. Wrapping up. Here's a quick recap of the key points from this Pinterest marketing course. Make sure to brand your Pinterest profile and maximize the limited bio space. Improve your content with visually appealing images and add hashtags to boost engagement. Publish content consistently and on a schedule to build your presence on the platform. Optimizing your Pinterest page by publishing high-quality, inspirational, and relevant posts frequently will help you reach new audiences and build your brand online. And that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team, either through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this video.